Alright, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae. If you're new here, please smash the subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell on, okay? So anyway, this episode, I want to do a makeup look with the new Colourpop honey palette. It's summertime. It just turned summer like a couple of days ago. So, you know, I got this palette. I love these little color palettes, these little palettes that Colourpop comes out with. Here it goes. But anyway, yeah, it's a pressed powder palette. That's what it's called here. But yes, I love these. I have two other ones. I have the green one and the pink one. And so of course, you know, it's summertime. Everybody loves yellow, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just screams summer. So of course I had to get my hands on it. At first I wasn't going to buy it, whatever purchase. But I thought about it. I really like the yellow eyeshadows because I have one right here from, let me see. Look, I have a yellow eyeshadow I got from Sephora a long time ago. Don't even have this shade anymore. This color, but you know what I'm saying, I still use it. I know it's a little old, but it's still, you know, it's still very pigmented. But they don't have it anymore, so I might have it. I don't know. I haven't seen it. Well, at least in the JCPenney Sephora's now. In the, you know, regular like Sephora stores, they might still have that color, but I don't know. I never looked. I'm not gonna actually review this palette. I just want to, you know, make a little eye look with it. And that is it. So this video is gonna be very quick. So tear this off. Let's get that mirror and let's go ahead and get started. So I think I'll go here first. Let's stamp that. Oh yeah, it's pigmented. Just using it as like a transitional color. Next color I'm going to is this here. This is Buzzkill. And the last one was Totally Buggin'. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to do the same thing, just stamp it. Totally didn't need this color. Can't even really see it. So I'm gonna take this color here. It is Behave. Yeah. Let me take that around. This ain't even showing up. I mean, it's showing up, but it's not showing up on camera. I think I'm gonna go with this color here. Ooh. I don't know. I like this color. This is called Dandy. This is the color right here. Let me see. This color here is the color that I just used. And this is pretty bright. You know, it's like a yellow. Let me go ahead and do the other eye real quick. Okay, so this is I'm really trying to use as many colors as I can. I don't think I will be able to, but I'm gonna go and put this in my inner tear duct right here. Actually, I think I'm gonna take this and put it all over. Maybe I can get a better brush. But it's just glitter, you know what I'm saying? So it's just good to like lay over top of any of these shadows in here. I think it'll look good. Ooh, pretty. Now I actually really like this palette. Just kind of questioning it just now. Even though it does look, it is like really nice. I just wasn't sure because it wasn't really showing up. So I'm just gonna take this glitter, put it over top. I like this. So I just took that Palooza, that's this right here. It's just some pressed glitter. And I put that over my lids. I actually like it. Oh. Alright, so I think I'm gonna take this color here and put it right here to brighten it up. Hey, my phone won't stop ringing. Alright, so I'm gonna take Sunburst, put it, whoa. Oh my god. This is like a golden type green. It has a lot of green. It's like it's like a iridescent. I just made a damn mess is what I did. So that is it for this. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on and put some eyeliner on, some lashes on, and I'll be right back. I'm finished. So this is the eyeshadow. Okay. I just put some lashes on and put some lipstick on. The lipstick I used is this Wet n Wild matte lipstick. Is in Nudie Patootie. Oh, sounds like that girl that people don't like on YouTube. And I use this Sephora lip gloss. It's actually like a lip plumper and it's nude. I don't know the name. I think it's outrageous. I guess it's outrageous. No, outrageous effect, outrageous. I don't know. It's nude though, so I use that for my lips and just line my lips with a brown lip liner. But yeah, this is it. Very quick. I don't even know if you can even see this eyeshadow. I can't see it. I can see it in my mirror right here in front of me, but I don't know. I guess because I'm not close enough. But yeah, this is the look. Anyway, if you like to see more looks, I know this is kind of quick, maybe a little boring, but you know, I just want to do this anyway. But anyway, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn the notification bell on. If you have any comments, leave down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. So right now, I'm gonna go take a picture of my thumbnail. I'm gonna go outside because you know it's summertime. Okay. All right, see you guys later. Bye.